Are you graduate from agriculture university? Do you need job with decent salary? You are in the correct spot. Here we are going to see the nature of IBBS AFA exam and some frequently asked questions like what's the salary, qualification and cutoff, etc. etc. Let's get started. We'll get into the video. Happy to welcome you all on behalf of Kelly Legends. Before we see the nature of the exam, we'll see the salary first. It's what we needed, right? It's around approximately 53,000 as gross salary. You get allowances around 4,000 each month, and you get a house rent allowance if you posted outside your hometown. Otherwise, you will get HRA. After deductions of PF, taxes, approximately you get more than 52,000 as starting salary. It may vary up to bank. Note, these figures are as per July 2021. Then next, see educational qualification. Not only agriculture graduate, veterinary, agricultural engineering, there are so many courses are listing. So these all are the candidates are eligible. Simply those who all are graduated in agriculture university are eligible, but check qualification before you apply for the examination. Okay. Now we gone through the nature of the exam. Now it's conducted in 3 levels: prelims, mains, and interview. Prelims is qualifying nature, totally 125 marks, and mains 80 marks, and then interview 20 marks. These all are calculated for your final selection. So our main concentration should be in mains and interview. Prelims contains 3 sections. The sections are English, reasoning, aptitude. Each contains 50 questions. In reasoning and aptitude, each question carries 1 mark. For English alone, each questions carry 0.5 mark. For each section, you get 40 minutes, and note it down, you get 1/4 marks as penalty for each wrong answers. Then for qualifying prelims, you have to meet 2 types of criteria. The first one is you have to clear sectional cutoff, and the second one is you have to clear total aggregated marks fixed by IBBS. If you see the previous year cutoffs, you get some good idea. See, this is 2021 cutoff for prelims. For example, I take OBC category. Sectional cutoff for English is 5.25. Reasoning is 5.50. Aptitude 9.75. Totally, you have to get 40.88 marks out of 125. For example, if you got 4 marks in English, but your total marks is 45, then you are not qualified. If you cleared all the sectional cutoff, but if you are not get total cutoff, then also you are not qualified. So keep in mind, you have to meet both the conditions. Then only you will qualify for next level of the exam. Take a look on 2019. See, reasoning cutoff is 7, but in 2021 it's 5.50. Take a look in 2018. English cutoff is only 1 mark. So what we infer from this is cutoffs are dynamic. You can't say this is sectional cutoff, this may be your total cutoff. Basically, cutoff is based on vacancies, question paper difficulty, and candidate performance. You can't predict these things. Better fix a safe target for yourself and start work on it. Regarding strategies for prelims and mains, we'll give one separate video. For start your preparation, keep these things in mind. Start your preparations with the basics. Learn some of the basic shortcuts. Practice regularly as much as you can. Then only you can manage time in exam. If you think I know the formulas, I can manage myself in exams, definitely you will going to suffer in exams. So practice regularly. Then regarding reasoning, the reasoning questions are getting hard day by day. So get touch with these things regularly. Regarding English, you have to be very cautious. Otherwise, possibilities are more here to lose your marks. Those who are not familiar with vocabularies and struggling to read the paragraphs, start to read Hindi editorials. Don't think you can clear English cutoff by using Inky Pinky Ponky. Definitely you will going to suffer. So try to find your deficit and work on it. Next we enter into the main spot. Competition actually starts here. It contains 60 questions. It plays crucial role to decide whether you have to qualify or not. Each and every questions you answered and not answer also important. Why not answer also important? Because Every wrong answer you will get 1 by 4 marks as penalty. Simply it's like test match. You have to leave the balls which are bowled outside the off stumps. You have to know which questions you can answer and you can't answer. For this you have to study your basics well, get the concept clarity of the subjects which you are studying. Then see the mains cutoff. It increasing year on year like petrol price. For this, you have to go through your previous year question papers, study your major subjects like agronomy, soil science, physiology, most importantly, agricultural engineering, animal husbandry, then some of the farmer schemes and NABARD schemes. These subjects and these topics are must. Without this, you can't survive in exam hall. Every marks count here because one of my friend got job with 0.25 margin. Even 0.1 mark is important here. Keep these things in mind. Let's talk about the interview. In interview, there may be 4 to 5 members, each evaluated you out of 20 marks. Final selection is based on your marks and mains converted into 80 marks, interview into 20 marks. Totally, it's out of 100 marks. See the final selection cutoff for last 3 years. In 2020, first mark is 86 and minimum marks is 77 out of 100. Go through all the years, you get some idea. See the vacancies. Once long ago, there was 2500 vacancies. Now it's in decreasing trend, so plan accordingly. May this year around we'll expect 750 or 650 vacancies. So start your preparations early. Don't worry about the results or cutoff. Focus on your preparation. If your preparation is good, you definitely get job. May half-hearted work fails, but hard work never fails. So keep preparing, focus on the progress, not on the results. We'll like to conduct mock test for prelims and mains. We'll share some of the important topics and materials in our Telegram channel. You can find our link in description. For regular updates, keep touch with us. Do subscribe, share with your friends. We'll see you on the next strategy video. Bye bye.